Malita nkuru Caleb untita matundra. Mumurega sora, mumure chinguru, mumure tomete. Ninche kuru Caleb untita matundra. Nche neo mwanabiashara Daraja Mbili market. Na ande nche etuacha uchaguzi vijana. Vya car wash, vijana vya Daraja Mbili every sector. Ntubuate vijana tubento to make sure simbarati mna sero bogambi. Anyara to make sure chiro yeto ya Daraja Mbili. Even to go to Rachitaya. Chio Kororo 24 hours because in East and Central Africa this is the biggest market. The correct revenue to the national grid it's Chirigoro. We need to have the best market within the environs to what Gusii. Actually, our director is doing good thing. We have done a very nice election today. We already elected the youth. We already elected the people with disability. We already chairman. And the only thing I want our governor to do, we need all these leaders to attend the benchmarking markets within the East Africa, because I know Daraja Mbili is the best. So the best thing we need our delegates to have a benchmarking from outside the country. Like outside the world, because we are the people to see what we can change in our market. In the near future, we are a leader in making. We want to make sure we have the very best within our environment, within the Kisii County and the Gusii land as a whole. Thank you.
Kwa majina mimi hasa Marieta Gongoro kwa mesha kiyoge ambao nguruwanire kirogalie town ande no ande muno mwegereri bwana biashara na arole ngoba choli kwa Daraja Mbili no bwaki na ukweli, na bado tunapongeza gavana wetu ambao ni Simbarati asega asingia ogenderete kokora obocholi bwechi chiro muno bwa korakanire maiga into mnancho muraibu eta onarigereri mana arore nga ukweli. Hii ndio haki ande chiko baiga kere chiro abantu baitomba go chikurwana igoro yoburai oikatotoka toko supporta nande to kwakishanga abana biashara baito baikira ni wa magana ali bataye kerango kuanira nche chiri rinkorwa ya moya abo ya Kisii market ntobwate problem nyinge omweshimiwa Simbarati kigwasoire ande tuegenire nga asogwancha kuri kwanya saa ande kolengana muno letaya nande tugene taya netaya tomaba wakilishi abaja ali market na intu asalia eno amale mande na bete crab dia sabantu bayairete bakurumi bale bayireta male malia acha na national aisa na se county elinda male malia omweshimo yagacha nonye mall e market ya Nyamira mall esabu abantu bali street abantu bali street bako ni bintu outside the town because na ke congestion ya berete town oise kwa gaja mall al market ntoi gubuya na abantu ba market imbaisa neke elinde to banga abantu asenjere bwenerete elinde ko ene abantu ji street torusi abantu bali babigeta congestion in town oika mall ya gachu al Kisii market elinde market yeli kine so far na ntuntorenga eta ya ito kwa tuoke na ndeta wokire so ntokwana mangi to genderete gambia mono.